Hello everyone! This tutorial is to teach the basics of creating a Prezi presentation. I will go over how to create a Prezi account, how to choose a template, and how to customize the homepage. To begin, first go to prezi.com. You're going to click on Get Started, and you're going to choose the free package, the basic package. It's going to ask you to type your first name, last name, an email account, and create a password. Since I already have an account, I'm going to log in. And as you can see here to the right, you can upgrade to a bigger package that has a lot more features to it for a monthly payment. We're going to stick with the free basic package though. To begin, click on New Presentation. Here, you can choose a template you'd like to use. I recommend exploring all the different templates in areas besides education: marketing, sales and business, H&R and training, general. You might find another template more useful. You can preview the templates by clicking on them. Once you've chosen your template, click Use this template. It will bring you to the home page where you can see the whole presentation on one screen. All the slides you hope to present shown on one home page. And here we're going to focus on how to customize this home page. You can remove the background image or revert back to the template image. You can upload an image from your computer. You can also change the background color. And to edit the text, you simply click on the text that you'd like to change or edit. Prezi 101, and just like with Word, you can edit the font, you can edit the size if you want it bold, italicized, you can change the background color and then the text color, the margins, and you can add animation. The text can either fade in or fade out. I really like this feature, the Zoom To, where it will zoom in on where you've clicked. I'm going to also choose Zoom Out, so once it's zoomed in, it will zoom back out to the overall picture. I change the text here. Maybe make it bold, change the color, and as you're working, this will pop up on your screen. Nice presentation, how about we give it a name and set its privacy? So you're going to title your presentation, and with the basic package, your only option is for anyone on the web to see. If you were to upgrade your package, you could really control who's going to see your presentation, as well as share it and collaborate with others. These are your slides for your presentation. And we're going to just focus on editing how it looks on the home page. But if you wanted to edit what the kind of content would be on your slide, you can click here and either add or delete slides within the slide. But right now we're just going to focus on the home page. So again, you could change the text. You can also delete a slide if you don't want it in your presentation. And you can also move it around on your home page, wherever you'd like. All right, so let's see it in action. And you move from slide to slide with the arrows on the bottom. So I zoomed in, zoomed back out, and then it's going to go to my first slide, zooming in, zooming out. So there you have it. And what's also wonderful about Prezi is that it automatically saves your work, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Now you know the basics for signing up to Prezi, as well as choosing a template and customizing your homepage. Thank you and enjoy.